pre-war apartment here. It's a convertible 2-bedroom, 3-room layout. On the right here, to the right of the kitchen, we have bedroom number 1, extending 7.5 by 9. The closet in here comfortably fits a full-size bed. Kitchen here is large enough to have a small love seat and a table if it were shared for 2 people. Also windowed. Right off the kitchen we come to the bathroom. There's a stall here for the shower. Windowed, tiled. And the 3rd room here, facing south, a lot of light. Great view. Larger room, 12 by 9. Original tin ceiling.